to be no bald head scallywag all 2020. Maybe the first half of 2020, but the second half, my hair gotta push through. Welcome back to my channel. Nice, sleek, cute ponytail. I don't know if it's gonna get you your husband, but I can't do everything, sis. We could promote hair growth. You hear me? Hair growth. Let me just fix my background. Effective styles that will grow your hair. So I've been using this little mixture that I made. I'll tell y'all in another video. It's the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco for natural hair. I really like it. Only thing I don't like is that it flakes like a lot. Like you gotta like put, you can't overcake it. Like after like a week, I guess, of wearing it, or 4 days, like a week, because I try to wash my hair more often now in deep condition, because I'm promoting hair growth. 2020, we want our hair to be down our back. All right, let's get into it. So first, I spray my hair with water and some conditioner. I got this conditioner from SHEA Moisture. It's the silicone free miracle style leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. Come on, that build up so I ain't gotta wash my hair throughout the week. I wet my hair. Girl, I wet my hair up. You hear me? I wet my hair up. That up a little bit. Because of all that product that's in there. I was gonna wash my hair and then do this fresh, but I'm too lazy for that. Just gonna show y'all what I really do. I don't wash. Well, I'm trying to wash my hair more during the week, but with my job, I got a different schedule this week, so I'm not doing that. So I'm bringing it real live and correct. So I'm loosening this up a little bit. Actually grew out some doing this. My hair is growing. Like I said, I haven't done anything to it. I'll deep condition it and I put oils in it and do my twist out. And then after my twist out for like a day or two, I put it right back in the ponytail. Don't make your ponytail too tight. Don't make it too tight, because that would make your hair break. You don't want that problem, because it's hard to grow your hair back once it breaks off. Like, that's the hard part. You know what I'm saying? That's the freaking hard part. I really want to get braids, but I'm like, I need to grow my hair out first, because the tension that the braids put on my hair is not cool. Like, I have thick hair, but you see how these strands are so like small? My hair is going back because this, yeah, it looked little, but it was little-er. I don't know if that little-er is a word, but that's what it was. So yeah, so I found out where I put my part. Before I put the SNOT, I put oil your hair. Oil is where it's at. So this is why I shall not be wearing high ponies for a minute. You hear me? Put in my little part. 2020 we want you want hair growth. Been using this like a lot. So I put some on my hands. This is how it looks, consistency of it. It looks nasty, but I like it. I don't know if I like it because it matches my hair color, or if I like it because it really be holding my hair down. Ew. Get you a nice brush, a hard one. Don't be too hard on your hair, but nice brush. Brush it down. You see all this product? It's nasty, but I'm telling y'all, this is my product for 2020. Like I said, I got clip-ins. This is my trick. Cause I could walk around with a baby bun, but why walk around with a baby bun? Thinking. You say you want to promote hair growth. Why are you putting clip-ins? I might pull your hair out. Don't put it in tight. And when you get home, take it out. And I don't clip directly at the root because, like I said, I'm promoting hair growth. I don't want my hair to come out. And then put this one in. This is just for extra length in your ponytail that I don't even wear out. I put it in a bun, so whatever. But it makes my bun look fuller. It don't make her look like a little baby bun. You know I had a baby buns back in high school. Come on, sis, we grown. We ain't wear no baby buns, not no more. Ponytail, but we don't put it too tight, you hear me? And if it starts feeling tight, you loosen them clip-ins, girl. Do not be out here with your hair hurting. You loosen them clip-ins, girl. Y'all see that slickness? Y'all see that slickness? And this will last me all day. I like it nice and messy. Got a bobby pin. Put the pin in there. If your hair's not nape of the neck. Put some water back there. A little dry. It's a little dry. Alright, so for my edges, I use Style Edge Booster. Style Factor Edge Booster. Because that's life. I used to use it and then I stopped. And I wondered, like, why did I stop using this? Because it always holds my edges down. And then I seen the price and I was like, that's why I didn't use it. This thing is expensive. When I say expensive, and I'm a cheapskate, but I'll spend some coins sometimes. But this thing like $10 for a little container, but it works. So I'm like, you know what? All right, works. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing. All right, so then after we do that, we put a little head tie on, and then I'll come back with the finished product. Boop. All right, guys, so I'm back. I had it on for probably like 15 minutes. Like I said, I do it before I go to work because I have my hair loose at night. I'm not wearing a ponytail to bed because that will pull out your edges. So take it off. Taking it off with you. Oh yeah, I put this under it. I forgot about that part. It's a whole Z edges, girl. Let's pull some of my hair out. It wasn't tucked. It wasn't tucked. Look, if you look behind it. Ew! See that? So I'm gonna put a pin here. Like I said, it's about hair growth. We ain't doing too much. Yeah, so I take old mascara, or they have some thing called Cover Up. It's on the beauty supply store. I can't find mine right now, so I'm using the old mascara. You see the hair that's on it already because I'll be using this. I ain't gonna tell y'all something I don't do. Just brush through your edges a little bit. Brush through your edges. And it'll make it look way fuller. And the only reason I got this indent is because I had the black scarf under with the black tie. Slay it. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe. Deuces.